After launching Realme C63 4G back in May this year, the company has now launched the 5G version of it in India, with different design and specifications. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C63 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C63 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 32-megapixel main camera with f1.85 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.1 by 7.94mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C63 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 11,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 20th, in forest green and starry gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C63 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.